Buenos dias, it's me, Paul, and Daniela, and we're here in front of the Bucerias Market. We're going to do a little walking tour. We're going to show you guys what's going on over here at this little market, and then what's going on over at Paul's Cafe, right?
Yes, let's go see.
Let's go. Buenos dias. It does smell like beans in here, but there's no beans, you know?
I like the color, the look of it.
Yeah.
And I would expect this can keep clean, which
Yeah.
is what we all love, I guess.
Yeah.
Right?
Hey, look, there's Daniela. What are you selling here today? So what was that gal saying out in the front?
In the front, she said that it's empty right now, which we can see.
Yeah.
But she also said that they're filling up paperwork, and I say, oh, so people are renting the spots, and she said, yeah.
Okay.
So
The paperwork. Yeah, but this is going to be a lot of fun to shop once it's open. They have these little office spaces too, which is interesting. This is where all the paperwork is being stored.
There's bathrooms.
There's bathrooms there that have a glass door so you can look in and watch what's going on.
No, I guess it's kids to clean their hands or what?
I
It's
don't
kind
know.
of tiny, no?
Well, you know, I don't know.
Or it's our size. I guess it's our.
You know. Yeah, I don't know what's going on there. All right, well, let's go see what businesses are open on the outside, because there's quite a few. Sayas?
Don't be a pig.
No sayas. Pig. Yeah, don't be a pig. You always tell me that.
Yeah.
And here we have Mariscos Liam.
Okay, so they have breakfast, which
Uh-huh.
is normal, you know, like eggs and tacos and things like that, chilaquiles.
Uh-huh.
And they also have the seafood menu. So
Okay.
that's kind of like.
That looks to be the specialty, right?
Yes.
I did see on there it says nachos, pollo y carne.
Like those, huh?
I do like a good nacho plate. Anatolios Café. Americano? Sí. And Daniela, you were just mentioning
I was saying.
pro tip.
Yes. That we do sometimes have our reservations when we eat seafood if the weather is getting hotter.
Yeah.
If the weather is hot, even at your place, like, you know, at your home,
Yeah.
you also have to be extra careful with how you keep your things and
How you keep your food.
yeah, like on the fridge or
Yeah, it's
even
just-
if you have them outside a little
The
bit.
temperature goes up just a little
Yeah.
bit, and that's enough for bacteria to start growing quicker. And with seafood, as soon as that happens, forget about it, right?
Well,
So,
especially you that
yeah,
kind of like
I
over that.
basically, I'm like, you know what? I've gambled and lost too many times, and I'm just like, I'll wait until the high season, you know, until that temperature comes down to try seafood again. And a lot of marisco places now, I'm just so very, very careful. I'll only eat at places that are indoors with AC. If we went here and had mariscos, we'd probably be fine.
Yeah.
But there's just those 1 out of every 10 times that I go have mariscos, that's a disaster. And I said, forget it. I'm not doing it anymore. Yeah, and if people are wondering what we're talking about diarrhea and throwing up.
No.
Right? Don't be a pig. 45?
35.
35. Okay,
Gracias.
35. Muchas gracias. It's good coffee. Buenos días. ¿Qué tiene aquí?
Carnita a la
Oh,
mexicana.
¿Qué es eso?
Carne a la mexicana.
Ok. ¿Es para tacos?
Para tacos o para platillo, acompañado con frijolitos.
Ajá.
Con frijolitos.
Ok.
Tenemos birria.
Ok, birria.
Birria, pero no es birria.
Sí.
Para taquitos, para orden.
Ah,
Tenemos ahorita enchiladas suizas.
ok.
Tenemos tortas.
¿Cuál es su favorito?
Yo, machaca.
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 ¿Qué día tiene chile relleno?
Eso es, cada día es un guiso diferente.
Ok.
Pero por lo regular siempre lo estamos haciendo entre jueves y viernes los chiles rellenos.
Ok, muy bien. ¿Y eres de aquí? ¿En Bucerias?
Sí, soy de aquí.
Ok.
Ella es hija de Meño.
Oh, ok.
Pero-
Ok, muy bien. Ok, muchas gracias.
Por nada.
Y este restaurante tiene gorditas. So this restaurant has gorditas, which isn't too typical around here, right?
I guess not.
All right, look at that. That is a gordita,
Yes.
right?
So it's open.
Mm-hmm.
She puts the meat in there. She has me todo, which is lettuce, crema, and cheese.
That's right.
And she brought us this salsa that looks a little spicy.
I think put the salsa on the side. Okay, just put it right on top. It's not greasy, like it's
The chicharrón.
the chicharron. No, it's kind of more dry, which I'm happy about. It's not like covered in like a fatty slime, right? It's more dry.
El changarrito.
Changarito.
Ajá.
Okay. ¿Y cómo te llamas?
Isuri.
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 ¿Y eres de Michoacán?
De Michoacán.
Okay. ¿Y gorditas son más popular en Michoacán de aquí?
Aquí lo hacen como sope.
Sopes.
Ajá, o sea,
Ok.
va la gordita, o sea, va hacia arriba, todo va arriba,
Ok.
como si fuera sopecito. Y allá de aquel lado, la gordita es abierta en el centro con el guisado hacia
Sí.
adentro.
So we actually enjoyed that a lot, and we ended up ordering a para llevar.
Yes.
So we're gonna circle back and pick up those gorditas.
Yes.
Hola. Buenos días.
And they have tacos de canasta, which I tried before and they're very good.
Mhm.
Are the ones that are literally on a basket.
We have eaten here before.
And we had chilaquiles.
Guaraches? Okay.
Sopes.
Wow.
There's another cafeteria here.
Yeah. And this is another cafe here, right on the corner.
Elixir frutal, smoothies, and crepas.
Very nice.
I like their signs.
So you can see, we also have La Perla Mexicana, another eatery. Hola.
Hola.
¿Cómo estás?
Bien,
It
gracias.
says Domingos tiene birria, menudo rojo,
Ajá.
desayunos, chilaquiles, machaca de res, tortas, pierna y jamón. Comidas.
Ajá.
¿De qué hora está abierta?
De 8 a 3 de la tarde.
Okay. Hola.
Hola.
Buenos días. Chisca.
Aquí es con antojito chisca.
Okay.
Hay enchiladas, sopes, tostadas, pellizcadas.
Ajá.
Sí, a las 2.
Todo lo que ve aquí.
Wow.
Y todo buenísimo. Preparado por la chisca. Y también a domicilio.
Okay, muy bien.
Mira,
Yes.
déjame ver.
Service to go.
Que vengan todos a comer.
Mira.
Teléfono es 322
Yo te lo puedo dar, pero
382
no sé. Déjame hablar, va a venir mi
6501.
hija a desayunar y ya. vemos.
Servicio a domicilio.
¿Y este restaurante es tuyo o no?
Ey, al rato te hablo entonces.
De ellos.
De... Ah, ok. ¿Y cómo te llamas?
Francisca.
Francisca. Mucho gusto, soy Paul. Tenemos un canal de YouTube.
Ah,
Sí, es un tour para los gringos.
muy bien.
Sí,
Muy bien. Vengan
Sí.
aquí a Bucerias.
sí.
Al mercadito.
Mercadito.
El mercadito.
¿Es el nombre de este?
Sí, aquí es el mercadito de Unidad Deportiva.
Ah, ok.
Sí,
Ok.
muchísimas gracias.
Gracias. Buen día.
Buen día.
Buen día.
Hola.
Para la cámara.
¿Ya llegaron a Mariscos Liam?
¿Mariscos? También sí.
Ah, muy ricos, por
Sí.
cierto.
All right.
She said this place is called Mercadito Unidad Deportiva because basically it's a market on the sports unit, which is because we have basically a sports venues right next to it.
Mhm.
And like we literally just passed the basketball court. Right? Would you play before with Betty
Yeah, I
too?
play out here. Yeah, me and Betty.
And then there's
Play
this one
one-on-one.
this one is the baseball one, which
Uh-huh.
they kind of keep well maintained, I guess. Mercadito Unidad Deportiva.
Unidad Deportiva.
Yeah, which is market.
United with sports?
No, market sports unit. So
Sports
meaning
unit.
sports venue.
Okay, market sports venue.
Yeah.
Interesting. Okay.
Think they need to keep the grounds better.
Yeah, this area here.
We noticed that. I mean, everybody that comes here, it's obvious.
I think they had the idea of putting rocks because it wouldn't require any maintenance. But then it just kind of like, it just didn't fill in. And it looks a little messy. So,
And there is people that do exercise here in the morning,
Mm-hmm.
and also we see a lot of people in the afternoons.
Yeah.
Right now it's a little later, like it's maybe around 11 a.m.
Uh-huh.
So it's already hot, and I think people that did come to do some sports, they already
Oh
left.
yeah, in the morning. This is really nice right here. It looks like at some point it did have grass, but I bet you because of the players playing on it, that's a little more wear and tear on the grass. So this path right here basically comes out to this little little dead end street here, which used to be where that little cafe was for a while. All right, and so this is where I think it used to be called Cafe. Here we are on the corner of Cinco de Mayo and Guadalupe Victoria. And just over here is Cooley's restaurant. And then this is Bucey Burger over here. And that means we're very close to Paul's Cafe. And this guy's got a little storefront right now.
A bazaar?
Yeah, a little bazaar. Interesting. So there is some exciting news about Paul's Cafe, and as we approach the lot, you will see that we have broken ground, which is awesome because that means things are happening. Look at that. How many units are sold?
So out of 9 units, there's 5 sold, and then we have still 4 available.
Okay.
So if you guys wanna, have some information, just email me at info@beachlifemexico.com, and I'll send you the updates on those.
Perfect.
And we're excited because now we finally broken ground. It did took a while, like, a little bit, like with the paperwork, and we were waiting on some changes in the municipality, and that delays. But now we're here.
There are some units still available, right? What are those units?
Well, there is variety because we have a 2-bedroom, then we have a combo, which is a studio and a 1-bedroom, which is cool because you can stay in one, rent the other, or use it as a next bedroom, for your family. And we have a townhouse, which is a 3-bedroom. And we have mentioned that, like, lately you kind of get some information about families.
Yeah. Some people have been emailing me asking about schools in the area, and I think that the townhouse would be an awesome option for somebody, right?
Yeah, I mean, it's more space, obviously, so you have 3 bedrooms, you have your own pool, and then the location, I think, is great. It's like you said, your kids can go just to the
market,
sports venue right there, get your groceries, come back home.
Right, and go get an ice cream.
Yeah.
That's a good life right there.
We hope they open.
Yeah, all right.
And then you also did a video about walking from this location to the beach access, the closest one. We do have a walking bridge right at the end, on the highway here.
Yeah.
And this particular street is actually a dead end.
Right.
So you have a little bit more quiet than usual. And then the 2 other streets, which is Matamoros on that side, which is the one you took on the video, and it has a lot of vendors there. That takes you out in your car. Or Cinco de Mayo, which has restaurants and things going on as well. That also takes you out to the highway.
Very good.
I think the location is pretty cool.
Oh, that's awesome.
And then you have the partial ocean view.
Yeah. You can't really tell from here or with my lens, but you do look out to the ocean just beyond that. Just right over that tree, really, on the corner. You can see the ocean. Our gorditas are ready.
Yes.
Should we head back?
Go get them.
Buenos días, buenas tardes. ¿Qué restaurante es?
Es la Glorieta de Enrique, tenemos mariscos, mira.
¿Mariscos?
Sí.
Okay.
¿También están en otro lugar, en la Cruz?
Sí, estuvimos 20 años en la Cruz de Guanacaste,
Okay.
3 años en Tondoroque y aquí tenemos 3 meses ya. Señorita,
So, 250?
It's gonna be 230. Because we
230.
got 7 gorditas.
Provechito.
Okay. Gracias.
Hasta luego.
Buen día.
Bye.
thanks so much for joining us on that little tour. Next time you're in Bucerias, you got to check out that market. I would come in the morning, get yourself a coffee, try a few different vendors, try a few different tacos, spread the wealth, right? And it's just a great spot. And if you guys are interested in Paul's Cafe, there's still some units available. So contact Daniela at info@beachlifemexico.com. We really appreciate you guys. Thanks so much for watching the video today. And de mi familia a la tuya, Dios te bendiga. And one more thing before we sign off, I wanted to give you a heads up. We do have availability for many of our condos here in Bucerias. So if you're thinking about a summertime getaway to Bucerias, check our website for special summertime rates at beachlifemexico.com. That's beachlifemexico.com. Muchas gracias.